son of a bitch, you have it. I know you do.
I don't have shit.
You were just flicking a...
Zippo.
No! How can I lose it?
Dude, it's in the seat. You know it has to be. You know it has to be in that seat.
It was sitting right here.
It's gone.
It would have dropped someone. Oh my god. No. I can't find it.
Look under the seat.
I did. I paid $20 for that, dude. I did find $50. No,
keep it. 50 cents. You're gonna find it, Jordan. It is in the seat. It's in the seat. You're crying over this?
It's only zippo.
Well, find it.
Fucking threw it somewhere.
You threw it?
It was on my fucking lap, dude. Where it gone? It's not on my...
Jordan, I swear to God, if you don't look under the seat.
I did. It's not there. Dude. No. I gotta find it. I paid $20 for that shit. Oh, where is it? Did Trevor take it? I'll kill him. Dude, it's gone.
What the fuck's my zippo?
Please, dude, if you're fucking with me,
I swear to
please.
God, I'm not fucking with you. I swear to God, I'm not fucking with you. I don't know where it is, dude. I swear. Dude, it has to be somewhere in this car.
Dude, I was sitting right on my lap. Where did I put it?
Damn, Jordan, we'll find it. You're not gonna do no good just doing that.
It's not fair. Where'd it go?
Oh no. Trace back your steps.
Hang on. Trace back my steps. I'm fucked up. I don't know where the fuck.
It's in the seat, dude.
It's not in the seat. Fuck, it would be right here. What? There's no way in hell it would have sticked on my pants to where it was out there. It was right here.
You want to use my zippo? Think. Just think. Did you go inside?
No. What the fuck happened to him? It was right here. What the fuck? It's not in there. I checked. All it is a fucking sucker.
Dude, it is in this car. I swear to God.
It can't be in this car.
How can it not be?
It was here. How the fuck did I lose trace of it?
It's a good song.
I swear if I lost that goddamn lighter.